Welcome to Mathematics Nepal YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve some of the questions. Our first question is, if Pn is the statement that is n cube plus n is divisible by 2. So our statement is n cube plus n is divisible by 2, and we have to prove that p1, p2 and p3, p4 are true. So first of all we check for p1. So in this case what we do is just replace n by 1, so that we'll get p1. So which is, so replacing n by 1, so here also we put 1 in the place of n. So 1 cube plus 1 is divisible by 2. So that means 1 cube is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 2 is divisible by 2. So this statement is true because 2 is divisible by 2, because 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we can simply divide 2 by 2. So this statement is true, which is true. So we can say that p1 is true. Now similarly we check for p2. So again for p2, just replace n by 2 here. So 2 cube plus 2 is divisible by 2. So we write for p2, 2 cube plus 2 is divisible by 2, which means 8 plus 2, which is 10, because 2 cube is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 is divisible by 2. And this is also true because 10 is obviously divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10, so which is also true. So we can write which is true. Therefore p2 is true. Now again we check for p3. So for this we just replace our main statement is n cube n. So 3 cube plus 3 is divisible by 2. So let's check this statement. 3 cube is what? 27 plus 3. 27 plus 3 is 30. 30 is divisible by 2. Again this is true statement because 30 is divisible by 2. So we can say that which is true. Therefore p3 is true. Now the last task is for p4. We have to check for p4. So again we do in the similar manner. 4 cube plus 4 is divisible by 2. So check this. 4 cube is 16, for the 64. 64 plus 4 is 68, is divisible by 2, because this is even number and all the even numbers are divisible by 2, so which is also true, which is true. Therefore we can write this P4 is true. So similarly we have next question. So the next question is, if P1 is the statement, again we have a statement for Pn. So in this case Pn is the statement n square plus n is even. So let's check this statement for P1. So we have to check first for P1. So replace n by 1, so 1 square plus 1. Now we check this 1 square plus 1. So 1 square plus 1 is what? This is 1 square is 1 and plus 1 is 2, and 2 is what? Even. So this is proved, that is P1, 2 is even, which is true. So P1 is true. P1 is true. Again we have to check for P2. So just replace n by 2, 2 square plus 2, and check this. 2 square is even. So 2 square is 4, 4 plus 2 it is 6, is even, which is also true. So we can write this P2 is true. Now let's check for P3. So replace n by 3, so 3 square plus 3 is even, which means that 3 square is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, is even, and this is also true. Again P4, we have to check for P4, that is 4 square plus 4 is even, which means that 4 square is 16, 16 plus 4 is 20, is even. So 20 is even, which is true. So we can say that P4 is true. So we have done this question also. Now we have next question, which is Pn. In this case Pn is when n cube is greater or equals to 2 power n. Now at first we have to show that P1 is false, so check for n equals to 1. So P1 is what? 1 cube greater or equals to 2 power 1, which means that 1 cube is 1, so 1 is greater or equals to 2, and this is false. This is false statement, because 1 is not greater than 2, therefore P1 is false. Next we have to check for P2. So for P2, replace n by 2, so 2 power 3 is greater or equals to 2 power 2. So it means that 2 cube is 8, 8 is greater or equals to 4. So this is obviously true statement. So we can say that P2 is true. Now we check for P3 in similar manner. So 3 our main question is n cube is greater or equals to 2 power n. We have to check for this, so replace n by 3 in this case. So 3 cube is greater or equals to 2 power 3. So 3 cube is 27 and is greater or equals to 8, which is again true. So we can say that P3 is true. P3 is true. So again we have done this question. Next question is, so in this case we have Pn. The statement is n plus 1 by 6 is a natural number. So I have to check for P2, P3 true, but P4 is not true, so that replace n by 2 at first, so that P2 is 2 times 2 plus 1 by 6 is a natural number. So we check this. So it is 2 times 3 by 6 is a natural number. Again this is 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6. So 6 by 6 is 3 by 3 is 1. 1 is a natural number. So what we get in this case is n equals to 2. So 2 times 2 plus 1 by 6 is a natural number. So 1 is a natural number. So we found this as a true statement. So this is true statement because 1 is a natural number, and we can write this P2 is true. P2 is true. And next we check the same for n is equals to 3. So for n equals to 3, P3 is 3 times 3 plus 1 by 6 is a natural number. So this is 3 into 3 plus 1 is 4 by 6. So 3 ones 3, 3 twos 6 is a natural number. So this means 2 to the 4, so 2, our result is 2 is a natural number. So again this statement is true because 2 is our natural number. So we can write this P3 is true. Now finally we have to check for n equals to 4. So what we get for P4 is 4 plus 1 by 6 is a natural number. So it becomes 4 times 5 by 6 is a natural number. So this is what this is 20, or we can write 2 to the 4, 2 3 is 6, so 10 by 3 is a natural number. 10 by 3 is a natural number, but in this case the result of this is I think 3.3333 is a natural number. 3.333, and this is not true because it comes in decimal. so that is its false statement, so that we can say that P4 is not true. P4 is not true. So I will come with next video. Thank you so much.